Here's some questions for you. Have you ever wondered why ripe fruits are sweet and those unripe fruits are sour? Or have you ever wondered why those unripe fruits, why are they usually green? And why do they change color when they ripen? Plants are amazing living things. While they don't talk or produce any kind of sound, plants have their own ways of communication, and not just to other plants but also to animals. As you may know, many plants rely on animals to help them disperse their seeds. So they must develop a way to attract the animals to come. So one way is that they actually grow fruits. So many of these fruit trees and these fruiting shrubs, they use colors like red color, black color, or other kind of bright colors to act as advertisements to signal and attract the animals to come and tell them that their fruits are ready to eat. So before that, when the fruits are still developing and unripe, right, they are not ready for eating yet. Plants usually keep their fruits green color. Why is it so? Because they actually want to camouflage or hide their fruits from the animals. They're so intelligent, right? Plants are really very amazing. And these trees also use taste to attract and or deter animals to come. So when the fruits are not ready for eating yet, the plants actually produce sour acids, right, soury taste to the fruits to tell the animals that these fruits are not ready for eating yet. But when it's ready, the plants will actually reabsorb the sour acids and replace with sugary glucose, fructose, and other sweet juices. And so over time, animals learn. They know that they should go for the red fruits, the bright fruits, because they are sweet. And they also know that they should avoid those that are still green, they are too sour to eat. And that's how animals and plants communicate. Right, so another way that the plants use to communicate with animals is they use scent. Right? This is why certain fruits produce very strong scent or aroma to encourage animals to come, to attract them to look for the fruits. Right? One good example, durians. Right? The smell is so strong that it actually attracts the orangutans, the monkeys, to come and feed on the fruits. So these are the many ways how plants send messages to others. So if we can understand more of their language, and if we can translate their messages, we can possibly get better at growing. There is a reason for everything, right? Leaf shapes, fruit size, colors of the flowers, the scent, the height of the plant, they all mean something. So the more we know about the plants, the better we can understand them. And that's the real power of gardening experts and those who are very successful gardeners. So if you'd like to learn more about the secret language of plants, comment below. I can share with you more about this in a whole new video series, but only if you like it. So I know you like my how to grow series where we talk about different kind of plants, how do we grow certain plants. But if you want to learn more and master gardening, learning their language and understanding how things work is very crucial and important. So comment below if you want me to talk more about this topic. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Click on the subscribe button below. Right, until next time, I will see you soon in my next video.